Hey, all right, welcome back. It's another Where's It Wednesday. I want to thank George Wood for that great theme. And we have a cool tip today sent by Shlomo. Shlomo saw our podcast last week where we talked about creating a Cartesian grid and how to get the numbers from the Cartesian grid to appear directly on the grid lines. Now, I proposed some solutions back there, but Shlomo reminded me about the camera tool. I'll hold down the control key here and drag this down to create the numbers 1 through 10. And basically, I'm going to copy that range, but I'm not going to copy it normally. I'm going to copy it as a picture. Now, in Excel 2003, we would have used the camera tool for this. In Excel 2007, it's kind of weird. They put it here underneath paste as picture and then copy as picture. Isn't that the weirdest thing you've ever seen? Where the copy as picture is now actually under the paste drop down. Go figure. But anyway, when we do that, we get a picture of those cells, and then we can come over here and paste that picture. I'll use Control V to paste, and what you're going to see is that I can basically now take that picture and just offset it by about a half a row, and when I click outside, I now have a picture of the cells, and the picture lines up perfectly with the Cartesian grid. Now, let's quickly take a look in Excel 2003 to see how we would achieve this exact same effect. In Excel 2003, the grid lines are a bit darker, so we actually might want to go to another worksheet, insert worksheet, add the numbers there. And on this particular worksheet, we're going to say that we don't want to see grid lines, so Tools, Options, on the View tab, uncheck grid lines. Click OK. Now I want to copy as picture, so you could use the camera tool, or you could just hold down the Shift key, go to the Edit menu, and a brand new option appears with Copy Picture. Click OK. And then I'll go back to my worksheet and I can paste, Control V to paste. And just kind of drag this down a little bit so that way it's about a half a row offset. And now the lines do go perfectly through each individual number. A couple of cool tricks using the old camera tool, although it's a bit harder to find in Excel 2007. Actually, you know, that really is a toss-up. Is it harder to find? They just hid it underneath where no one would ever look, as opposed to in Excel 2003, you had to know how to hold down the Shift key. Both are admittedly fairly obscure. So we went from one obscure location, holding down the Shift key, to another obscure location underneath the paste icon. Who would look under paste for the copy? But anyway, that's how you do it. Thanks to Shlomo for sending in that great tip, and thanks to you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.